Hey guys, this is Ben from TestReg. In this video, I'm going to show you how to test the Blender. There are two files and I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's start. Okay, so it's testing Blender. It's extremely simple. All you got to do is click on the guide and supports and go to download test files. From here, just click on Blender and download those two files. They are zipped, so you need to unzip them. And I already did that, and I've created a file called Blender test files under downloads, my downloads folder, and you can see them both here. For some reason, the Gooseberry test file called benchmark. So if you're trying to find it, so this is the name, and we have the BMW. So all you got to do is just double click on it to open it, and let me just resize the screen so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Here you go. So on both cases, all you gotta do right now is just click on render and wait for it to finish. As soon as it's finished rendering, you're gonna have a timestamp over here. So let's start. Now I'm just gonna skip this to the end so you don't have to sit down and wait for it to finish. Okay guys, there is another thing you have to remember to do is to check the CPU speed during the test. So you just need to right click on your taskbar and then hit task manager, and it's going to show up, and over here you can see it says the speed 4.88. okay, and remember to turn off any kind of application that runs on the background, restart the machine, okay, just to make sure. Otherwise it can affect the test results. So for example, if you also have a antivirus, just disable it for the test. All right guys, so the test is finished, and you can see here at the top left corner we have the timestamp where it says period 48. This is the milliseconds, just ignore it. We only need it, as you can see, 5 minutes. So this test took 5 minutes. And you're gonna do exactly the same for the Gooseberry test. But the Gooseberry test is gonna take longer. So I recommend you doing it before you go to sleep. So in the morning it's already gonna be finished, or before you go to work or something like that, okay? It takes much longer. So yeah, and this for the test. Another thing is in regards to the hardware information, you can just download this app here and install it. It will ask you to install it in your download folder. When it's finished the installation, don't worry, it's a portable file, so you can just delete it afterwards. It's let me see, you're gonna find it under your download file. Let me see it, it's right here. Okay, it's gonna be a folder called HW Info Portable. All you gotta do now is just double click on it, click yes, and check the summary only, hit run, and you're gonna see this window. Now you can see this is the the CPU information that you need. Over here it's the graphic card information, and down here this is the memory information that you're gonna need. So when you have all the information and the test results, we can just close this one, and we can come back here, go back to home and go down to the table, hit the plus here, and then you can start adding all the information over here. And as you can remember here, this is for the CPU speeds during the test. It's very important. We don't really care about what it says on the paper. We want to know what it says actually, the test speed, you know, during when you're running the machine, running the test. GPU manufacturer, GPU card, and so on. And here you write the information for the test. And if you, by the way, if you cannot find your graphic cards or your CPU, it can happen. So just go to our support forum and add a new topic and ask us to add the your hardware that it's missing over there. Okay, so please write down exactly what it says and we're gonna add it. We'll be in touch with you. So this is it for the Blender test, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.